Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Izingani's Tembu and things are happening. Ne? And remember I told you Uguti, I'm so invested in this whole thing, but let's get into it. Now Usibindi has decided to say he is going to Lobola Amahle. And apologies for my voice. It's not voicing, but I needed to do this video because yay, yampisa. Ukai decided to go and Lobola Amahle. First and foremost, they arrived late emini emaloboleni. I don't know why, but like guys, like it's common knowledge. Why couldn't they wake up at 4 o'clock so that they are early? Like I didn't understand. Or a camera crew is the one that was not available at that time. It just doesn't make sense because every black person knows ukuthi amalobolo asekuseni kuyavukwa laphiyana nathi masizolotsholwa savuka sapheka hey ekuseni nje ngabona 9 kwaqediwe mara ka re na re batswana re tshwana le botirelo tsetsa ho negotiate mengwaha le listeng ka rena cause a go amahle badutsi ba hetso. But let's get out of my business and get into Izingani zesithembu's business. Now, ulotsholiwe ke uAmahle, izinto zenzakele. I just like to say I really appreciate for them not to negotiate the lobola on camera, just to give us amanqampu and izinto there and there, but not to necessarily discuss the whole lobola on camera. I really appreciated that because there are other things that I believe ukuthi we still need to preserve, like culturally as umuntu wesifazane, as a female person, you are not supposed to know how much your lobola was in the first place. So imagine if the whole country knows ukuthi wena walotsholwa nge-1 million njengendaba kaKhune no Minnie Dlamini. Remember that story? But asikho lapho. Now, here's my question. Kuhanjiwe kwayolotsholwa uAmahle without telling uTirelo. Right, we discovered this while Umseleku is sitting on the table no Tirelo no Sibindi, because begabize Usbindi weza nomuntu wakhe. Okay, sharp, fine. Do you guys remember Uguti? The person that was snooping on the phone was Uvuyokazi. Uvuyokazi bega huye ubabes we phone. Now ubabes we phone segu Tirelo. And I think Tirelo we put her but by virtue of her being in the relationship and being treated like this means and trying to accept or bona bye. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that because girl turned into Popeye the moment she was now not the confidant Kasbindi. Remember what made her relationship different from Yaga Vuyokazi was that yena she got first-hand information. Ukai magane STI umchelile. She did not have to find out. She was told, Ugutai, I've got this situation. When Ukai cheated, she was told Ugutai, ngibe nephutha nomuntu ongingana inhloso naye zokumshada, and therefore that is considered cheating. Okay? But if he's with another woman that he wants to make a second, third, fourth wife, it's not cheating. Now, Utirelo did not have to beg for this information. Utirelo did not have to search for this information. This information was volunteered to Utirelo. But now this information is not volunteered to Utirelo, meaning the dynamics of the relationships has changed. And this means Utirelo now is in the very same shoes that Uvuyokazi was in, which is a painful place to be because now she understands that Umpumelelo is not as nice as she thought he was. Furthermore, he's realizing ukuthi indoda for himself and all the things of, hey, don't fight for indoda that he said to Uvuyokazi. Right now, nje, porridge. So Usbindi literally said, while you fight for school fees money for your son's crèche, 3,300, I am going to show you what do I consider priority means priority. Yo, guys, I don't care how they twist the story. For the fact that it seems like, or it looked like, Amahle was lobola at first and Utirelo did not know. We don't care what they are acting, they're doing it for the cameras. She looks foolish. No matter what she comes back and say on her lives, at this point, girl looks foolish, and there is no way she's going to twist the story and make herself look like she's got everything under control, unlike what Vuyokazi went through, because at this point, she is Vuyokazi light. Now back to Amalobolo. Amahle has been lobola, Dangisho, the things have done, and that's the family which they went first. Utirolo was not told, which upset her even further, right? She even couldn't follow her man back to the house because she was just that upset. That's not the problem. By culture, whether Umpumelelo uyafuna or akafuni, Amahle is now the first wife because she's the wife that was lobola at first. She's the wife lakvelo gibo kala. No matter how they twist it, no matter how he wants to marinate Utirelo so that Utirelo doesn't leave, Amahle is the first wife. Finish. And that question he was asked by one of Amakongi Guti, does this mean Uguti now Amahle is going to be the first wife? What we can't get into that yet. Whether we get into it or we don't get into it, and whether you decide whether to change the culture and put Utirelo first as Umseleko, as Ipubes, because of when we Ipubes, there's nothing you can change in the cultural aspect because we will forever know Amahle as Umamkulu. Now, Utirelo will be Mamkulu to your eyes, in your eyes, but in the eyes of culture, in the eyes of hierarchy, in the eyes of tradition, Amahle ki first wife. Amahle ki ena Mrs. Mseleko the first at this point. But Utirelo wanted she wanted it to seem like she's taking her power back by telling Umusa Mseleko, her father-in-law, to his face, nina kahle kahle, meaning laba bawu-2. Excuse the call, but meaning ukuthi she was calling Ubabezala to order. How do you call Ubabezala? Guys, your Utirelo is in it. Like, I think ukuthi right now she can see ukuthi the way Uspindi painted everything was not as how it seems. Uspindi played her as much as Uspindi played Vuyokazi. Question is now, how is she going to react? We are waiting for her live patiently. We're also waiting for Umabiyela to post on her Instagram the pictures Zamandwendwe. Those that stalk her, please tell us. Yes, she posted. I have not seen anything, but yeah, I am ready for this. Like, this juice needs to happen. When are you ready now? And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, go to my TikTok page where I just do mini reviews for your 30 seconds and stuff. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disabodi. I love you. Peace. Bye. And excuse the voice.